Hello, flashlight people. This is my cylinder shape 2-cell CR123A battery powered flashlight collection. Phoenix PD31. Its click feel is very good, and it has a Clicky XPG R5 very tiny LED in the very deep smooth reflector. It's a typical throwy light. This is my favorite for suburbs. Coke Pro QP2LX. Clicky XML large LED in the shallow orange peel reflector. Very different. They are both extremities. It's a floody light. It's a throwy light. Between the two, I have two EagleTac. The same one, D25C2, but they have very different LEDs. The reflector is same, completely the same. Clicky XML U2, Clicky XPG S2, the both have the brand new ones. I compared these two. Floody, and its beam was pretty bright, so more throwy than for servers. 550 lumens to 450 lumens due to its circuit energy saving or heat protecting system. This LED gets very hot quickly, very hot, so it needs to reduce its output in 90 seconds. I don't know about it. It's 350 lumens. And this is it. D25C2 Clicky. This large lumen is fake. This small letter written 343 out the front lumen is the correct lumen. And XPG S2 and runtime is 1.5 hours. Small one 1.5 hours and large one 550 lumen one 0.9 hour. Anyhow, in the same reflector and small LED, so it's more throwy. Absolutely. I try to compare with it. No, with it. A genuine throwy PD31. Larger reflector and smooth reflector and deeply mounted, more throwy. A bit textured, plain, hot spot, no dark hole. Its beam will be preferable, not so throwy as this one, but I'd like to compare with each other, these two, and with this one, EagleTac XML U2. I think this comparison will be interesting. So here we go to the regular testing field. It's a genuine true PD31. Can I see a dark hole in the hot spot? This is the deep, smooth reflector and XPG PD31 300 lumen light. Next, EagleTac XPG version. $350 lumens. Larger hotspot and no dark hole in there. Let's compare side by side. Okay. This one. Oh, it generates a ring. PD31. Left side. Spill size is the same. How about spill brightness to work with? This is XPG EagleTac is a bit better in my opinion. This is Phoenix PD31 and EagleTac XPG version. Phoenix dark hole, EagleTac a bit dark hole. Anyhow, this difference. And final comparison is between the EagleTacs. This is EagleTacs XML, XPG, XML, like this to work with XML, to work with XPG. I feel like XML is a better light to work with. XML, XPG, it is said to be more throw it. It will reach more longer, they say. What do you think? It is XPG 350 lumens. This is XML, XPG EagleTac. I don't know. This is XML, XPG. I basically like a floody light. This is XML version, EagleTac. XPZ version EagleTac. XML still is much brighter than XPG. The conclusion is clear that my preference is EagleTac XML U2 version, this one. Pretty comfortable. Okay. XML U2 is a better light than this XPG S2. It has a dark hole. The conclusion is very clear. Thanks for watching. XML. Wow, pretty good walking light. XPG, not very good walking light. The both sides are dark, but this XML illuminates the both sides of the road. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.